Listen, you take away my money, you take away my resources, take away the businesses. I'm going to tell you my exact plan on how I would make £1 million cash for myself and make sure I've got that in my account after just 1 year. So let's get into it straight away. Obviously, if I've got 12 months, it means I'm short on time. And so the one place I would focus on is where can I get paid and get paid a decent amount? I'm not looking for £1 margins. I'm not looking for £10 margins. I'm looking at where I can make a lot of money and quite quickly. And so B2B is where I would focus. My focus is going to be providing a product or a service to businesses because businesses have a lot more money that they can pay you, right? A person can pay you 100 or 200 pounds. A business can pay you 15, 20, 30, 35,000 pounds. That is the reality of how businesses can pay you. So what I'm going to do is this. I don't have that much money. Obviously, I'm starting from scratch. I need to make sure I provide a service to these businesses. And I need to provide a service where I believe businesses don't have much knowledge, they don't have much resources, and I'm going to come like Superman and save the day. That is exactly what I'm thinking. Now, make sure you're writing notes on everything that I'm saying because this is genuinely the exact plan and the exact thing that I would do if you took everything away from me. So now I would go to the drawing board and think about what services can I provide to businesses where they will pay me a handsome amount. Now my target here obviously is £1 million, and therefore I'm going to need to make 10, 15, 20,000 pounds in the first 2 or 3 months, and then obviously scale that up to making 100, 120,000 pounds a month. It's not easy, but this is exactly what I would do. Now let me be clear. My understanding is in the one space where businesses are just not equipped, they're not educated. In fact, there's a lot of fear because I want to do something where I can go to a business and actually they're worried about something. They're worried about getting left behind. They're worried that their competitor will do more than them, increase productivity, and their business will fall through the cracks. And so AI is where I'm going to focus because let me be clear, AI is not just a hype. It's not crypto. I mean, crypto is great, by the way, but it's not just a hype. It's not one of those things that's going to come for a year and then it's going to go missing. Businesses understand if they don't educate themselves on the AI space, if they don't get the right products and the services inside their business, then they're going to massively miss out. And look, this video is not just about providing AI products, AI services to businesses. There's 3 ways that I would go about scaling an AI consultancy, an agency, and making as much money as possible. The one thing I understand is 60, 70-year-olds today running businesses, running organizations do not understand how AI works. They barely understand how ChatGPT works, and obviously I'm being generic and this doesn't mean everyone. But generically speaking, the elderly generation, they don't really understand the tech. To be honest, look, as a 33-year-old, I don't really understand the technical side either, but I know how to make money in it. So there's 3 areas I would cover. One is the AI agency in terms of educating businesses on how and what they need to do to increase productivity. The second would be making AI agents for businesses, and maybe I make generic AI agents and then sell them into businesses. And the third, which is the big money maker, would be AI solutions. Now, the 3 are very important because actually you don't want to be a company that just makes generic AI agents and then gets whitewashed in a year. You don't want to be just someone who provides AI solutions. You want to be someone who educates the market. And this is crucial. Please understand this. You need to educate the market on how AI works, what AI can do for their business. Then you maybe are going to provide them a generic AI agent that will increase productivity or help their business a little bit. And then you're going to provide them an AI solution. I'll explain it all, bear with me. Now we're going to come back to those 3 ways on how I would go about making money. The one thing I would do is before I do anything is start talking about this stuff on LinkedIn. How AI can help businesses, create some fear in the market. I mean, look, the fear already exists and you are well within your right to create that fear. Look, the truth is, there are issues around AI taking over jobs, employees. Businesses are concerned that, their productivity won't be as competitive as their competitors. And so create that fear on LinkedIn, talk about this stuff, have conversations with people, add people up on LinkedIn, visit expos, live events, and have conversations. That is really when you're going to have conversations with people who make a lot of money and are those people that buy these sort of products and services. The first thing you're going to do is start educating the market. And maybe you might hold a webinar, you might hold a newsletter, you will start some sort of way of monetizing. And this is exactly what I would do. I might hold a webinar for businesses and I might do that once a month. And I might charge people 100 quid. It doesn't really matter, right? You'll get 30, 40 business owners that will sign up. The whole point is I'm going to educate the market on the AI space. I'm going to tell them exactly what is going wrong, what they need to do, and how they might miss out. So firstly, I need to educate the market. Then I will start selling AI agents. And that could be a generic AI agent to take care of customer service, sales, administrative tasks. Maybe leads come in, they get put in calendars, automating some of their processes. How are you going to do that? I'll come into this, because you don't need to be technically minded or have a technical background at all. Now, these AI agents, I might sell in as 500, £1,000 a month, depending on what I can do. So, I'm charging £100 per, person joining a webinar. I make about £3,000, £4,000, £5,000 a month. And then I will sell an AI agent. On that AI agent, I will charge £1,000, £2,000, £3,000, £4,000. And then I will move over to the AI solutions. Now, let me be clear, guys. This is exactly what I believe you need to do. The one place a business wants to reduce their costs and increase productivity, it's with labor. What do I mean by labor? It's with employees. Employees currently, as a business owner in the UK and the US, they're costing $2,500, $3,000, pounds, or whatever you want to call it, at the lowest a month. So if you've got 100 of those, it's going to cost you $250,000 to £300,000 every single month in payroll. If you can reduce that cost by 30%, that's £100,000. But it's not just that, because what you're going to replace those people with are AI agents, AI solutions, and therefore you can charge a lot of money. Who do you need to speak to? Well, you need to go in and start talking to HR managers, HR directors, internal recruiters, and start talking to businesses from a recruitment perspective. So you're going to start a recruitment company, sell into the business and say, I've got my own recruitment company. I can help you find X, 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 X. Remember, you buy from the people you trust. This is crucial, guys. You need to listen to exactly what I'm saying. You go in and you talk about something they are familiar with. What are they familiar with? They're familiar with hiring people through recruitment companies, hiring people replacing certain jobs, people backfilling other people that leave. They are familiar with that business model. Businesses currently are not familiar with AI solutions replacing people. They want to do it. They don't have the confidence in it. You need to win their confidence. And so you're going to go in with the recruitment company, the recruitment solution, one person you're going to charge. And bearing in mind, this is still a service, right? A recruitment company is what I started when I was 25 years old. I still run my recruitment company at 33. We make a ton of money. This is exactly what I would do, because I know it inside out, right? I would go to the companies and I would say, I can find you an engineer, an accountant, an IT guy, some sort of person. That person's salary will be £50,000, £60,000. Every recruitment company out there charges 15% as a minimum, meaning you're going to make £9,000 for one person on £60,000 a year salary. That is the minimum how it would work. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to say, I'm a recruitment company. I'm going to get you people. Slowly, every month I will start making 1 or 2 placements. 1 or 2 placements means £10,000 or £15,000. Then I'm going to go meet the company. I'm going to have a Zoom session. I'm going to have Google Meets. I'm going to meet them, have conversations with them. And then what I'm going to say is, have you thought about AI solutions and AI products? Because we actually also make those and we can provide those for you as well. This is the beauty of it now. When you're providing recruitment solutions, you're going to give them £10,000, £15,000. It will be fairly easy for you to make after 3-4 months. Then you're going to provide AI solutions, AI agents, and a whole system. Now, when you're talking about that side, what you're going to do is say, free webinars or paid webinars, that's an extra side hustle. AI agents, you'll make them generically and you'll upsell it to them. Again, it's somewhat of a side hustle. But the recruitment company side, you're making £10,000, £15,000. Now what you're going to say is, as an AI solution, I can make something for you for £20,000, £25,000. And a maintenance fee will be £1,500 to £2,000 a month as a minimum. I promise you guys, if you can make your name within this area, and it's very easy to do, because 99% of people are still employing employees by people, humans, and within the next 5-6 years, 30 to 40% of the labor in white collar office jobs, corporate environment will get made redundant due to AI. Who's going to integrate? Who's going to make those solutions? Who's going to do that? Well, it should be the recruitment companies. They should be making a crazy amount of money, but you need to be equipped to do that. Okay, so what you're going to now do is make the AI solution, 20, 25, 30,000 pounds. You can get these made. I'll tell you exactly where. And then you're going to do a maintenance for a cost. So 10, 15,000 pounds on the recruitment company side. That is very easy to do. And then you're going to charge 20, 25,000 pounds to make a AI solution for them. You're looking at 30, 35,000 pounds very, very easily from 1 or 2 companies. Now, I know these numbers sound crazy. I get it. But they're very realistic, especially in a world where it's like oil coming out of the ground. If you can get into the AI industry right now, but understand how to get in there, we're not going to run away from it. We're going to accept it and take it in with open arms. If you can accept it, you will make a lot of money. And so from 1 or 2 companies on the AI solution side, the 1 or 2 companies from the recruitment company side, you now should be looking at 35, 40,000 pounds every single month. If you can get that closer to 60,000 pounds, 70,000 pounds, obviously it means more work. It means that I have to turn up more. I have to make more calls. I have to send more LinkedIn DMs. I have to send more emails, but it's very, very realistic. I mean, I've had several of my posts. I write a LinkedIn post on LinkedIn. It will get like 30, 40, 50,000 impressions. And guess what? At the back of that, I'll end up getting 10, 15 clients, paying clients for my AI company. One post can end up getting me 10, 15 clients that end up paying me 7, 8, 900 pounds. That is actually how new and fresh and how accepting businesses are of AI. It's worked for me and I want it to work for you, and that's why I'm bringing you in on everything that I'm saying. Now, all this might sound great. How do I learn the recruitment side? As many of you guys know, we do teach how to start your own recruitment company. The link's in the description. If you're interested in learning how to start your own recruitment company, leave your details. There is an application process. If you don't fit, no one will get in touch. If you do fit and we think that you're relevant, we'll get in touch, because it's like a whole mentorship thing. We really want to help people get to that next level. And so it's not for everyone, but if it's relevant for you, if we feel like you're good, we will really hold your hand in making sure you can make it a success. So leave your details in the description. Someone will get in touch. Now, that recruitment company model, we're also going to be helping people in starting a recruitment company, but then also providing AI agents, AI solutions. As a recruitment company owner, you should be supplying people, you should be supplying humans, but you should also slowly, in about 3, 4, 5 months time, slowly start pivoting towards providing AI solutions and AI services. That is where the real money is, and you guys need to understand that. Now, where can you get AI agents and AI solutions? Where can you get those made? Pakistan and India is a fantastic place where you can make things within this arena. I have just recently hired close to 10 people who are very technical, who can make products for me very, very easily and don't cost me a lot of money. Okay, so either we can help you get solutions made, or you can reach out to people yourself. The obvious thing is there is much more risk, because you're not referencing them and you're not making sure whether they're good or not. But Pakistan, India is a fantastic place to get these things made. It's not as expensive as it once was. Like, getting an app made was very expensive back 10, 15 years ago. It's not like that. For a couple of £1,000, you can get solutions made. Your main money maker is not the fact that you can make something for someone. It's on, you can make something, you have an understanding of how this AI can help the business, you then integrate it and increase their productivity. That is the value. It's not just that you make something, and you guys need to understand that. Now, if you want me to make more videos on this stuff, if you have further questions, let me know in the comments. This is the future. This is about to go crazy. And every time something is about to go crazy, I always bring you guys in. And so, like this video, share with your family and friends, and let me know if you've got any questions in the comments. I'll make sure to answer every question. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.